we may just look like soft, adorable, cuddly toys. But in fact, we are powerful heroes that help children get into school because we know education is the most basic insurance against living in poverty. For every one of us sold in stores, the IKEA Foundation will donate €1 to UNICEF and Save the Children to help children who need it most get into school. Education is providing for future generations. Education is also making your own choices, better self-confidence, and many things more. Thank you for buying me and other soft toys so that more children can go to school and have a future full of opportunities to create a better life for themselves and their families.